Hi, okay, so today we're going to work on our word definitions. The You can refer to your vocab page on the front of your work packet to work on these definitions. Or you can just follow along with this video, or do both. So the words that we're going to go over today are protect, earth, climate change, and important. The first definition says, the third planet from the sun. Which is the third planet from the sun? I'm going to give you a moment to think about that. The third planet from the sun is Earth. The next one, the change in usual weather over a long period of time. So change in usual weather over a long period of time. Which one is that? Is that protect, climate change, or important? The answer is climate change. Climate change is when the weather might be a certain way. Maybe there's been a lot of rain for a while and suddenly it changes and there's no rain. And that's very different from what we're used to. It can make a big difference on Earth. The next word is to keep safe from harm. To keep safe from harm. Is that protect or important? I'll give you a moment to think about that. The answer is protect. To keep safe from harm, we want to protect people. We want to protect ourselves from getting sick. We want to protect our family members from being hurt. We want to keep them safe. And the last one is necessary or of great value. And the only option left, our only vocabulary word, is important. So we're going to put important here. Important means necessary or great value. That means it's something we need. It's something that's very worthy, something worthwhile to us is very important. So to review, we have Earth, the third planet from the sun, climate change, the change in usual weather over a long period of time, protect, to keep safe from harm, and important, necessary or of great value.